Private contractor Sierra Nevada Corporation, SNC, announced the final delivery of the third A-29C Super Tucano aircraft to U.S. Air Force Special Operations Command, AFSOC. SNC says the aircraft, the most technologically enhanced and mission-capable A-29 brought to market, are intended for AFSOC's Combat Aviation Advisor, CAA, mission, which is designed to build international partner capacity. The first two A-29Cs, delivered earlier this month, are already conducting training operations with AFSOC at Hurlburt Air Force Base. As the gold standard for light attack, combat and reconnaissance aircraft, the A-29C is built in the U.S. by SNC and its partner, Embraer Defense and Security. SNC is also contracted to deliver ground support equipment, pilot training, contractor logistics support, spares and sustainment for the program. SNC is incredibly proud to partner with the U.S. Air Force to support this critical global mission, said Ed Tops, Senior Vice President Tactical Aircraft Systems and Programs for SNC's ISR, Aviation, and Security, IAS, business area. With an active production line and low lifecycle costs, the A-29C can easily transition into the field to enhance warfighter support and provide long-overdue capabilities to those on the ground. Specific to the CAA mission, the A-29C provides AFSOC with advanced capabilities for the purposes of assessing, training, advising, assisting and accompanying partner nation aviation forces in airpower employment, sustainment and force integration.